Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're kicking off with Jupyter X to learn how to add a really cool rotational scrolling effect to your website elements. It's like giving your site a bit of that soccer spin. Dynamic, eye-catching, and fun. No coding wizardry required, just a few simple steps. And if you're new here, Jupyter X is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450+ ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's get started. You can add rotational scrolling effects to any Elementor widget in Jupyter X, not just the image widget. For this demonstration, imagine we're on the soccer field. I'll add a rotational scrolling effect to this image widget, almost like putting a spin on the ball as it curves through the air. To start, we'll head over to the Advanced tab, where we'll find all the magical settings for our rotational effect. Now, scroll down the panel to find the Motion Effects section. Enable the Scrolling Effects option for some added movement. Open up the Rotate settings under Motion Effects. Here's where we'll manage the rotational scrolling. Okay, let's drag the speed slider from 1 to 2 within the Motion Effects panel. It's like adding a bit more power to your kick. You'll notice the image, or in this case the ball, spins faster as it moves across the field. Now, from the direction dropdown, select to right. I'm now changing the scroll direction from to left to right. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a spinning scrolling effect to your elements in Jupyter X. Just like putting the perfect curve on a soccer ball, your website can now rotate with style and rhythm, catching the eye with every move. Go ahead, make your sites look awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.